Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you some tips for setting up your phone Redmi A3 Pro for elderly person. To set up your phone for elderly people, you can go to settings, then go to display and brightness, and the first thing to do is go to font settings, and in font settings you can adjust the size of the font like that. When you change the font to Mi Sans, you can not only change the size of the font, but also you can make it bold or light like that. Then the next thing you can do is to go to additional settings, then accessibility, and here you can adjust your vision and hearing settings. For example, go to display size and set it to L for large to make items larger on the screen. You can also go to hearing to adjust different settings, and you can go to physical to adjust, for example, touch and hold delay to long. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.